Hello everyone and welcome. It's springtime and that means your plants are blooming and getting all fuzzy, so they need a good trimming. I have a corded hedge trimmer that I've been using for years to accomplish my hedge trimming needs. But this year I decided it was time to upgrade and get a cordless hedge trimmer. Battery technology has improved considerably since I got my old electric hedge trimmer, and I think it's time to move forward. If you're tired of having to haul a long extension cord around your yard, then you may want to look at this cordless hedge trimmer from SnapFresh. I am definitely tired of being tangled up in that long cord, and I'm looking forward to the freedom of a battery-powered hedge trimmer. So let's unbox this green machine and see what we get. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notified every time I produce a new product or tool review video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Now this is from SnapFresh. This was an Amazon purchase, link in description below. Let's unbox this boy and see what we get. Now this is a pretty big box because it's a big hedge trimmer. And here you go. Let me turn this around a little bit here. Let me move that around. So we get the hedge trimmer right here, and I'll show you this better in a minute. Okay, so when you unbox this bad boy, this is what you get. First, you get the instructions, which I suggest you read through for all the assembly and safety features, etc. Then you get everything else. You get the hedge trimmer itself. You get a convenient blade cover to protect your hands and the blades when it's not in use. You get the safety switch right here, which I'll show you in a moment how to install. You get the mounting hardware. You get the shield to protect your hands from any splattering, debris that you may be cutting. You get a 2 amp hour, 20 volt lithium ion rechargeable battery. You see 20 volt, 2 amp hour lithium ion battery. And you get a 1 hour rapid charger, and I'm not going to test it this time because I've already tested SnapFresh rechargeable batteries and chargers previously in other videos, and I know they live up to what they promise. Now, like I said, this kit comes with a 2 amp hour battery. If you want a longer runtime because you have a lot of hedges in your yard or something, you can either get more 2 amp hour batteries or you could get a 4 amp hour battery, which they also sell, and it does fit this unit. I'll put up the numbers, model numbers for both batteries up on the screen so it's easy for you to reference it, and you can also purchase them on Amazon separately if you want them. Now this item, like I said, is an Amazon purchase and it retails for $109.99 at the making of this video, and it does have a 25% off coupon on their Amazon page so you can get some good savings right there. This comes with a 1-year warranty, and if you register it on their site, you get an additional year of warranty at no charge whatsoever. So you basically get 2 years of warranty on this product. This trimmer weighs 4.74 pounds, which is very lightweight. I mean, that's basically less than a pound of sugar. And if you can lift that, you can lift this up very, very easily. And it has a no-load speed of 1400 RPMs, and the blades on this are 22 inches length of hardened steel. And I'll show you the blades in just a moment. I'll give you a close-up of what they look like. It has dual action blades, which means better cutting because it has more like a scissoring effect where the blades scissor whatever it is that you're cutting, so it gives you a cleaner cut on your hedges. And it can cut up to 0.55 inches, which is basically half an inch. That is pretty thick when you're trimming just leaves and branches on hedges. And it has a dual safety switch feature, which basically you have to press the switch back here on the handle and on this handle as well. So basically both your hands will be occupied and out of the way of the blades so you don't get hurt. Like I said, I'll show you how to install this in a moment. Now let me give you a little closer look at the blades themselves. Let me move this all aside. Now, to take the cover off, it says very simple to do. There's a little label right here, which you probably can't see on the camera, but it says to just squeeze and pull. So, squeeze and pull, and it comes right off. And the blades themselves, never touch the blades with the battery in place. I don't have the battery in, as you can see right there, so it's perfectly safe. As far as the blades go, there you have a closer look as to how the blades look. Hardened steel. Very good quality. It seems very, very nice from what I can see so far. There is the underside of the blades. Look very decent, very beefy. So I'm looking forward to testing this outside on my hedges. Alright, so let's put this guy together so we can start trimming some hedges. Now it's very easy to assemble. The shield itself has some ridges right here, which you're going to install right on this little track right here. Then it has a screw, one on each side, that you use to hold it in place permanently. The safety switch, on the other hand, also has a track right here on the switch itself, which you're going to slide over these switches that are on both sides of the unit, on the two sides. And then, again, you're going to attach it with a couple screws. You can see the holes right here on both sides. You secure it down with those Phillips screws. You're going to need a little Phillips screwdriver to attach all this stuff. Very easy. They're all the same type of screw. So let's go through and do that. Just slips right in. Easy to do. Now attach it with the screws. Slip on the shield, and that's it. Put the two screws in. And that's it. You're ready to go. Slip on the battery, and let's start doing some trimming. Alright, so I have the battery all charged up, as you can see. There you go, fully charged up. We're going to go outside and do some trimming. But before you do that, make sure that everything works properly before you go outside. So, slip on the battery carefully and safely. Make sure you slip on the battery through the back, slip it right on, you're ready to go. Now, as you can see, I'm not holding this switch right here. I'll do it on the shield. If you hold this, it won't activate, it won't do anything. You have to press this down. You have to press that one and that one at the same time for it to work. Make sure there's nothing near the blades because you don't want to hurt yourself or anything else, and test it to make sure it works. And here we go. And let me show you how the blades work so you can see it closely on the camera. And the good thing is that it has a brake. It stops instantly the minute you let go of it, which is safer. That way it doesn't keep on going until it loses momentum, which could hurt something if you put it down or if you need to stop for an emergency. So you can see it sounds very powerful. I'm going to test it out outside in just a moment. Looks good. Let's get going. Okay guys, some final thoughts on the SnapFresh 20V Cordless Hedge Trimmer. I think this is a very convenient and powerful cordless hedge trimmer. After I turned off the camera, because I didn't want to bore you with a lot of footage of me just trimming that hedge, I finished trimming that hedge to get a proper feel for how this baby performs. I think it worked perfectly. It works better than my corded hedge trimmer because it has no cord to get me tangled up, so I was able to finish the head trimming job more quickly and effortlessly, and I didn't get frustrated. I'm very happy with this purchase, and I think you will be also, if you want to get rid of that annoying cord. So check out their Amazon page for full product details. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified of all future videos I produce. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.